You've heard the hype. YNAB, you need a budget, the budgeting software that promises to transform your finances. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Today, we're diving deep into the potential downsides of YNAB. So, buckle up, because it's not all smooth sailing. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the learning curve. YNAB has a unique philosophy, focusing on assigning every dollar a job. This takes time to grasp. The initial setup and getting used to the interface can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. Be prepared to invest time in understanding the YNAB method. Speaking of the interface, while functional, some users find it clunky and outdated compared to other budgeting apps. The design might not be the most intuitive, and navigating between screens can sometimes feel cumbersome. This can be a significant drawback for those who prioritize a sleek and user-friendly experience. Next up, the mobile app. While YNAB offers a mobile app, it's not always the most seamless experience. Some users report issues with syncing, slow loading times, and limited functionality compared to the desktop version. This can be frustrating for those who rely heavily on their phones for managing their finances. Now, let's talk about the commitment. YNAB requires consistent effort. You need to regularly update your budget, track your spending, and make adjustments as needed. This level of dedication might not be sustainable for everyone, especially those with busy lifestyles. Life happens, and it's easy to fall off the wagon if you don't have the time or motivation to maintain your YNAB budget. And finally, the cost. YNAB is a subscription-based service. While they offer a free trial, the monthly or annual fee can be a barrier for some. This is especially true for those on tight budgets or those who are already paying for other financial tools. It's crucial to weigh the cost against the potential benefits before making the commitment. Despite these potential downsides, YNAB can be a powerful tool for many. It encourages mindful spending, helps you prioritize your financial goals, and can significantly improve your financial health. The key is to find a budgeting method that works for you and your lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.